to recover Steam account without email. First, you want to simply open the Steam application on your PC. After the application has been installed, you'll be able to see a login page immediately over here on the application. Once you see the login page over here, you can simply type it out your email over here if you remember it. However, what you can also do is you can simply tap on help icon, sign in over here, and by doing so, you would have successfully proceeded your recovery process over here. You can simply type it out, I forgot my Steam account and name, password over here, and by doing so you'd be able to enter any kinds of email address or phone number over here if you have forgotten your password. However, if you do not remember your email as well, what you can do is you can simply tap on help icon, sign in again, and by doing so you'd be able to tap on my Steam account was stolen and I need help recovering it, or you can simply type it out, I deleted or lost my Steam card mobile authenticator as well. You can simply type it out. You can simply tap on any of these options over here, and if you don't find your support over here, what you can also do is you can simply visit the Steam's official support page over here, and you'd be able to make your complaint over here there, or you'd be able to make your appeal over there as well. You can simply go to the website. So hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.